So, what was
I'm
your
not
best?
talking to you.
Oh, go
Not
on.
camera.
What was the best part of the day?
The waterfall.
Oh yeah, that was cool.
Paddling around this morning. Checking things out.
It was a camp over day or whatever it's called, right?
Layover day.
Layover day, yeah. Okay, what are you doing, Carla?
I'm not going up that cave.
Wow, this is a cool lake. This is Donald Lake.
And this is the cave right up there.
And what are you doing?
Echoing up to the cave.
Okay, give it a try.
Echo!
Cool! Try it again.
Echo!
Echo!
I'm a mustache.
Yep. Can you see? There you go.
And here are our canapes.
Oh, look at that. You make a Martha Stewart proud.
Here we are with the caterpillar I found when I was napping. He's so good.
Be
Look at him.
careful with him, okay? Make sure you put him back so he can go and make a cocoon.
There he is.
Here he goes, okay? Give him a break.
There he is. Camera. He likes crawling, but he likes hanging. See, look at he's making a cocoon on your chair, Mama. Look at it.
Okay, what happened to our fishing rod, Carla?
Whoa.
It broke. Can you show how we fixed it? The rod broke. The reel broke off the rod. The handle broke off the reel. The eyelets fell off the rod. And it was on sale, wasn't it? But did we catch fish with it? Show everybody the duct tape.
How many fish did you catch?
What?
We caught fish for dinner, didn't we? With that rod. Right?
Right.
Oh, you're just full of gumption this morning.
Daddy.